Install a set of standard container house warehouses on the door today. Before we came, the boss has already cleared the site. It looks like this. Is it very clean and tidy? This set is 3 meters wide, 6 meters long to 0.8 high. Originally, the boss wanted to make it 3 meters high, but later, I think 2.8 height is also okay. So I finally chose the normal height size. The master came early in the morning, installed in less than 3 hours. Because the workshop is all white, our pie suitcases are also white and gray. Such a set is placed in the workshop as a warehouse. Is it also very suitable? Our containers. The main frame is made of paint, powder, and galvanized material. Anti-corrosion and anti-rust can be achieved. If it is placed indoors, the service life will be longer. So whether it's indoors or outdoors, our quick cookers are easy to handle. If you happen to need it, welcome to like and collect. Leave a message in the comment area.